Alright, we got the 72 C20. We'll do a cold start video here. 56 on the valve cover, intake 55 on the headers. Automatic choke. She fires right up. See one pump of the pedal, if that'll do it. Yes. Tanks, battery charge is good, temperature is cold, she's got great oil pressure, fuel gauge, both gauges work, both floats I should say.